Hi, welcome to dpvtechnology. Let us see what is there inside a breadboard. Here are some breadboards in my hand. In the back side, we can see a white layer is there. When we remove it, we will see that metallic strips, or we can say metallic clips, are there. So we can see here, these are the metallic clips or metallic strips present in the back side. When we insert our components lid into a breadboard hole, one of these clips grab onto it like this. Since we know that for the top two and bottom two rows, the holes are horizontally connected, so we have a long metallic clips inside it, like this. Here are 4 metal clips for line 1, 2, 3, 4, and for this side also there are 4 metal clips. For the middle section, all holes are vertically connected, so we get vertical metal clips like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can buy your all electronic components, modules, boards, and source at the best price from the official website www.dpvtechnology.com. Thank you.